When you are in truth, don't care for help. He will help. Got it? When you are in truth,
That is the right of way.
don't care. He will guide you. He will help you. Got it? But when you do some lies, he will never help you. That's it. Unless you are protected.
Hello.
No, just look at the state of this road now. How are people going to walk? Now tell me.
देखता हूँ मैं.
Just gave the land. Now you're taking by force this land also?
That they gave it willingly, now they're taking forcibly.
No, what they're telling is railway have the land up to Kampur.
Yes, sir.
And they will build their track in the railway land only, what they say. And if you want service road, they will
One
provide.
second. You're talking
Underpass, if you need, they will provide.
underpass. You want us to go underground?
No. To cross that line. Underpass.
But why we should live under such conditions? Why?
When you are in truth, don't care for help. He will help. Got it? When you are in truth,
That is the right of way.
don't care. He will guide you. He will help you. Got it? But when you do some lies, he will never help you. That's it. Unless you are protected.
Hello.
No, just look at the state of this road now. How are people going to walk? Now tell me.
देखता हूँ मैं.
Lunch 4 o'clock, man. We are
Why will come this? Now I was going out, we had told everything is stopped and I went
They
inside.
waited for us to go home and then they dumped this.
Yeah, we told also
How?
stop.
Soon as I got the information,
How?
I have come here.
But in your
came
How
presence,
deceitful.
three trucks have been
Very
dumped.
deceitful.
See, sir,
Oh, sorry.
sorry to say this. You are also learned man. In your presence, these 3 trucks have been. You could have stopped it. No, you are a deputy manager.
And now he's telling.
You are not a supervisor.
Arvind, he told the other guys how to get
Yeah,
down.
fix the date. Let us have a discussion. That is on 7. Oh, no, 17.
There's a lot of place
No,
that side.
17.
There's a lot of place that side.
17. 17. So,
By
wait,
17th you all will bring it to this height.
so 17, what you will do? What will come and
But
do?
why you have that in between? Can you go on doing this?
Yeah.
But had the ISLR
Of course, he has to study the documents. By the way,
Please
listen,
receive the order.
no,
You have to
listen. I asked the judge. I went again and I asked the judge, where are the annexures to your application? And they were looking for it. He said, we will call you. They have taken my number, not mine, not mine, or 2 of my colleagues and my advocate. And they said they will call us because we have asked for the annexures. Application had several annexures, but in the file, even that application was missing. I'm telling you what is the factual thing, right? And this he has agreed that the file that your application dated some in 2022 is missing,
My God,
and there
I
are no
can't
annexures.
understand.
So on what basis you have applied? Nobody is aware. And then the judge said, yes, we will give in the interim, but by 17, please give. We said, in all this, we will give our objection.
But in the meantime,
But
take a
no. In the meantime, please, they have to arrange for the annexures.
Yes, arrange for the annexures and
We have
take
only
a
the
break
cover.
in
We have
work
only the
that you're
cover letter,
doing.
which is 2 pages. Understand, no?
This is very deceitful, very, very deceitful.
This gentleman also argued his matter, right? Did you get any annexures?
No, the annexures are gone.
Incomplete application.
There were no annexures.
No
So we will
annexures.
give again, then
Now on the
17
on the 17th when we go, we'll have to tell the advocate and we'll get the
annexures and
the
again
next
postpone,
subsequent-
And until the
subsequent-
process is
Yeah,
going,
don't do the
You have to wait.
you have to wait. Don't you
You
know
have to
how the
wait.
law
No,
works?
you see.
I have to get it in writing. If you get me in writing, I will definitely.
No,
See,
no,
listen,
it's not.
without
The
that-
court is
listen,
there.
listen.
What the- you
No,
have-
you want to address letter to you?
No, not for me, sir. From South Central, Southwest.
The court has already said.
We will do it. You want to go us to go to Hubli? We will go. If you want, we will go. Not an issue.
Go and take an stay order. I will definitely-
We see whatever is done, we have to do. We don't want to this. See, but the thing is, you need to stop this work.
Orville, he said you stop the work if you go to Belgaum and
No,
do
no,
the
no.
things.
See, listen, ma'am.
Can you do what you want on somebody else's land?
Because this is not your land.
This is not your land. This land does not belong to the railway. This is people's land. Here are the owners all along the road.
Listen to me. There is no acquisition is also. You agree or no?
Reverse action.
There is no. Huh?
They are trying to make us go round and round.
You heard, sir? There is no acquisition is also. So when there is, huh? No, there was acquisition for home properties there at that corner, which has been dropped. After a lot of protest, it has been dropped. You know
We've
that.
been fighting this not now.
You all have agreed that you all don't have documents from Majorda to Vasco.
Exactly.
In your application, you all have said
You all have
partially
said-
you don't have.
In the application, it is written.
Railway has said again and again we have no documents. And without documents, how can you come here and just
And you're
dump
coming
mud
with police
wherever
to
you
frighten the
want?
public.
Railway is not saying that it doesn't have documents. It is
No,
only
no,
saying
application
No, no,
states.
no,
The
no.
application states.
No, no,
Your application-
you're
that
wrong.
there is no promulgation has done. We are applied for that. The same thing we have applied for that.
Look, please get this into your head. This land also belongs to our people from the village. It belongs to the
It was
village.
never sold, never
It was
acquired.
never sold, it was never acquired.
Acquired, nor gifted.
Okay? So don't think that this belongs to y'all. But because it was being used for the Mashila for a long time,
They got without notice.
Finish your
it was allowed for the first time.
But they are doing without procedure.
Without no procedures are followed, you all are just doing the work. Yeah, we are
They are
saying it is
putting
our land.
everybody into inconvenience with their actions.
No, tell me one thing, the law does not apply to the railway department? Don't you have to prove first that this land belongs to you? And unless it is done, can you dump mud near the gate of a house?
SWR
How are
was
they
not
going to move in and out? They have little children here. Here. How are they going to move in and out? How is that vehicle going to come out now? Please tell me. No, you tell me, please. How should the vehicle come out? I'm waiting for an answer.
For that, we have to sit and discuss.
Discuss. What you going to sit and discuss?
You get
What
the
you going to
solution
discuss?
first and then you do
Break-
your work.
Break the compound wall.
For solution,
Yeah.
fine for
And
any.
there is one more. What shall we do there? When the vehicle comes out and reaches there, what shall we do?
See, first of all,
Understand one thing.
No, I don't have to understand anything. You have to accept the truth.
They should survey
The
the
truth
area
is
first.
that
This land
this
doesn't
land
belong to you.
does not belong to the
You do
railway.
not have title
It
documents.
is
Very
private
simple.
land. It is private land. It is in the name of the owners who live along the road. And y'all are robbers. Y'all are robbing our land.
See what has happened now. This is we have been using from time
first
immemorial.
of all, you're
Okay.
creating a nuisance in the
My father had a vehicle
At least you first saw
in the
the problem
60s,
of the
and we used to
village
drive
and
along
then
this way.
that is a
I have
mistake.
pictures.
Government.
I have pictures of this car, my father's car, in front of this house
We
here.
are struggling for the railway.
This is my father's house, my
You
own
know,
ancestral place.
people
So
expect the government
don't think that this was
to
not a
set
road.
a good
We have
example.
got a
But our government
photography evidence
seems
in the
to want
60s.
to show the people
Politica,
how
your
to
dad
be
is there.
devious.
Your father-in-law, my father, all are sitting here. So don't.
This is not correct.